Here I have HUAWEI Nova Y70, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos, how to change slow motion speed on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the more modes. Here you have to select slow-mo, and here on this icon you can change its speed, so you only have like 4x or 8x speed, like the 4x for 120 fps and the 8x for 240. So yeah, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.